Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Firstly guys, I would like to greet everyone Happy New Year and a prosperous 2023. Guys, for the very first special shopping episode for 2023, I wanted to make it really extra special. That is why I was saving this episode. Because for today's episode, we are going shopping at the newly opened store of LOEWE. So if you want to see very new eye candies, interesting bags, and ready to wear, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Hi guys, so our next store, let us go and visit LOEWE.
So let us check out first the very beautiful window display of LOEWE. So we have here the very famous puzzle bag, very beautiful color. What do you think of this very ready to wear? So let us check this very quirky fun footwear. Would you wear these guys? So as you know, LOEWE's aesthetic is more on the quirky and fun side. Then we have these totes here. For a minute I was at Bottega because this looks very Bottega to me. So now we are trying on for 131k the micro LOEWE puzzle bag. So I'm watching a couple of videos here on YouTube and they're saying this could fit very little. Then we have here for 179k the medium size puzzle bag. Love the color of this one, neutral cognac color. Definitely would be perfect on every outfit that you are going to wear. Definitely this is a big yes for me for 186k. Just look at the very beautiful ombre effect of this medium size puzzle bag, so gorgeous. Next, trying on this very new bag from LOEWE. What do you think guys? Later we are going to take a more close-up look. Then we have these very beautiful structured bags. I'm not really sure what the name is. Guys, could you comment down below what the name of these bags are? I think they're called Amazonia bag. Please correct me if I'm wrong on the comment sections below. Then we have their version of the loop bag. Love the color in this one. What do you think? I love the top handle. Definitely love the top handle feature. And I am guessing that this comes with a longer shoulder strap. So now we have very vibrant and very beautiful spring colors of the puzzle bag. And you are going to notice that the hardware matches very beautifully with the color of the material. These bags are so gorgeous and they look so yummy. Now these are the newer runway bags from LOEWE. So this is a bag, a barrel bag, but definitely you could try it on as a bracelet, and the price for this one is 71k. Then we have the East-West version puzzle bag. So this one has a shorter strap because you could only wear it as a shoulder bag. So more beautiful eye candies for you. So here is another look of the very beautiful East-West puzzle bag. So these are the newer designs. So the CA mentioned, I was asking, would the fluffiness would deflate sometime in the future. They said that it is stuffed with feathers inside, so it would maintain the very fluffy nature of this very beautiful bag. We have more puzzle bag. This time it's a belt bag slash bum bag. Then we have here LOEWE's Hammock bag. Very, very beautiful. What do you think of this design, guys? And then we have here the very famous LOEWE basket bag. As you could see, many different designs. So this one are the classic ones. And what I love about these basket bags, they are affordable. I'm so glad the LOEWE here has now their very own ready-to-wear section. Some LOEWE very beautiful footwear for you guys. Loving the design on this heel. What do you think, guys? Could you comment below whether it's a yes or no for you for these kinds of footwear? More LOEWE puzzle bags. So we have here in this very beautiful neutral color. Then we have here in black. More beautiful LOEWE hammock bags. Ooh, love that charm. Very, very cute. We have here very beautiful SLGs. So we have some wallets over here. So now trying on for 71K this very beautiful barrel bag from LOEWE. Ah, there. Pero kind of loose, no? Or...
Pag may laman-laman ito.
Ah, okay, okay. So you have to fill it up first para hindi siya ganun ka-loose. We have here some beautiful micro pouches from LOEWE. Here are some bag straps that you could purchase on top of your bag. Very cute design. We have here very beautiful charms. These are the logo of the brand. Then we have here very quirky bag charms. Super cute. How beautiful are these tote bags from LOEWE? For 146k, how beautiful is this tote bag? Love the color, love the size, definitely could fit everything that I need on a daily basis.
One.
195k for this very beautiful puzzle bag. So like what I mentioned earlier, you would notice that the hardware matches the leather.
Yeah.
More LOEWE tote bags, this one priced at 138k.
Yeah. I love the strap eh.
A more close-up look of LOEWE's shoe section. How beautiful are these, Sunny? So this one is 31k. Then we have this for 28k. So this is how the East-West puzzle bag looks like.
Hi guys, so we have just finished LOEWE. So hope you enjoyed the selection that I've shown you for today.
There, did you enjoy our very first shopping episode for 2023? So guys, I would love to hear from each and every one of you. Among the bags, ready to wear, and shoes that we've seen for today from LOEWE, please comment down below which one is your favorite and which one are you adding to your wish list. Again guys, before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe, Happy New Year, and I will see each and every one of you soon. Bye!